Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. My name is Theo Tavek and today we are taking this baby right there, 2017 BMW M3 to Carmax to get it appraised. So follow me to Carmax right now. Before we start the video, there's two things I would like you to do for me. First thing, go ahead under this screen, find that red button that says subscribe and hit that for me. I'll wait. Alright, next to that button there's another button that says actually another bell icon here. Also hit that for me. Alright, but now if you did not do it, I don't really know why though, because it's free, but it means the world to me, so please go ahead and subscribe. Alright, so let's go on to this video. Alright guys, as you can see, I am at Carmax right now. Let me show you Carmax behind me. So I'm going to take the car in and let's see how much they're giving me for it. Alright, so I am walking out to Carmax to see what they're going to offer me. They are open. Here they are behind me. Going to see how much they're going to give me for my baby. Yes sir. Carmax always the place to come and sell your car. If you ever you want to get rid of it, they're always open, ready to get you, man. So let's go see how much they're gonna give me. Hopefully not a low ball offer. Drop in a comment below how much you think they're gonna give it to me. Yeah, alright, see ya. I went in there and I'm just right now waiting for the appraiser. I did ask if I can film the process. Now it would depend on the appraiser if I can film it or not. So we shall see. If you don't see the appraisal process in the video, that means they didn't like it. They didn't accept. Yeah. One of the reasons why I actually wanted to do this appraisal is the fact that with this corona situation, a lot of dealerships are not selling cars, so I'm trying to see how much Carmax in such crunchy moment can offer me for my vehicle. So normally I think that my car has is a 2017. It has about 41k miles, so I'm thinking normally the fair price will be between 40 to 45. Normally they will sell, this car can sell high 40s. I did purchase for 52 and it should be around 50 normally, right? But Carmax being Carmax, I'm pretty sure they are going to lowball me. So let's see. Right? I don't know, but my gut's telling me between 40 and 45 is what they're going to offer me. So let's see. What do you think they're going to offer me? Under 40, above 40, above 45, above 50? So let me know in the comment below, man. And yeah, so let's see for the appraiser. So guys, I am back in the neighborhood now, and this is the offer that Carmax gave me, the appraisal for the worth of my car behind me from Carmax. How much do you think they offer me? So again, if you did not drop any comment on the how much you think that Carmax offer me, do it right now. Now I know that with the COVID situation, the offer would not be what normally it would be, because a lot of people are not buying these type of cars right now. So Carmax will not actually offer a good offer. So if you take your car to trade it to any dealership right now, this is the worst time to do it. So we actually consider selling it privately. So let's see what Carmax offered me. Follow me. There you go. Here's the offer from Carmax, $39,000. So they went even below what I was thinking. I was thinking that they would go on the low 40s, but nope, they went even further down. $39,000. So as you can see, this is I'm just hiding my address real quick here. This is pretty much all the options. A lot of wind here, so forgive me for that. And this is pretty much what is included on the car here. And yes, Carmax offer me $39,000. The process that Carmax uses is pretty simple. So they came in, and the appraiser came in and actually asked me to open all the doors. They checked the inside, the outside. They went around, checked the engine, asked me to turn on the car just to make sure it drives, but actually did not drive the car. So usually they drive the car, but this time they did not drive the car. And then the lady mentioned that if they are purchasing it, that's when they will actually drive it. So that was the process that they did, and they gave me $39,000 for this. It is very low. It's a very low ball, and of course I wasn't selling my car anyway, so I was just trying to see how much they will offer me with these COVID condition where not a lot of people are actually buying cars. So if you have any question, feel free to let me know. And that's it, man. Here's a nice shot again at the baby here. That's it, man. Thank you again for watching, and see you on the next one.